Hello everyone. Starting out as a new real estate agent is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. While this career has incredible potential, it's also filled with pitfalls that can hinder your progress if you are not careful. Today I want to share some common mistakes new real estate agents make and how to avoid them. First and foremost, don't underestimate the importance of building a strong network. One of the biggest mistakes new agents make is trying to go at it alone. Real estate is a relationship driven business and connections are key. Join local real estate groups, attend community events, and be proactive about building relationships with other professionals in the industry. Your network can open doors to new clients, partnerships, and opportunities. Second, focus on learning before earning. Many new agents rush into the field thinking they will make big money quickly. While real estate can be lucrative, success comes to those who take the time to understand the market, laws, and best practices. Invest in training, read industry publications, and shadow experienced agents whenever you can. Knowledge and experience are what set top agents apart from the rest. Third, don't neglect a solid marketing strategy. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial. Many new agents don't realize that clients often research agents before contacting them. Ensure your social media profiles, website, and listing are published and professional, high quality photos. Detailed descriptions and engaging content make a huge difference in attracting clients. Remember, marketing is not an expense, it's an investment in your success. Another common mistake is poor time management. Real estate requires a lot of flexibility, but that doesn't mean you should let your schedule control you. Set a structured daily routine that includes time for prospecting, follow-ups, and client meetings. Prioritize tasks that bring you closer to your goals and avoid time-wasting activities. Successful agents manage their time, they don't let their time manage them. Next, don't ignore the power of follow-ups. Many new agents get discouraged when clients don't respond immediately, but in real estate, follow up with potential clients, past clients, and leads. A polite follow up can turn a maybe into a yes and ensure you stay top of mind when someone is ready to buy or sell. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Starting out can be a tough and there will be a times when you don't have all the answers. Reach out to mentors, experienced agents, or join a team where you can learn and grow. It's better to seek a guidance than to make costly mistakes that could have been avoided with a bit of advice. To sum it up, success as a new real estate agent comes down to building a network, prioritizing learning, having a solid marketing strategy, managing your time wisely, following up diligently, and asking for help when needed. Avoid these common mistakes and you will be setting yourself up for a strong and successful career. Remember, every great agent once started where you are now. Stay determined, stay informed, and keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching. With this, I am done. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.